What's up, YouTube? Sorry I disappeared on you. It's been a while, I know, but it's because I was trying to figure out a few things in my personal life. But I'm back and I'm not planning on leaving anytime soon. Let's get it. The product we are going to review today is the Xnutshell X08. Real leak is kind of expensive, so I decided to import a new brand of cameras and see if we can get a similar quality for a lower price. So let's unbox this beast. This is an indoor camera, wireless of course, with motion detection, panoramic view, 1080p quality, and infrared night vision. It has an AI to differentiate between people and pets, motion tracking, and two-way audio, which means that you can converse through the camera like you would do with a talkie-walkie. The first thing you see when you open the box is the manual. The manual gives you the specification of the device, it gives you the physical appearance, how to install the camera, the app to download, and how to set it up in the app. In this little white box right here, what do we have? Alright, so we have the power cable, which is micro USB. It's fine, I think. We have a little mount, I think this is for the wall, and we have the power adapter and also some screws. Yeah, so this is definitely a wall mount. The last thing we can see in the box is the camera wrapped in rubber, and yeah, this is a nice camera. It's white, all white, and it's protected with a film, and you have the micro USB at the back. The only thing is, I believe this is supposed to take a memory card. We will see where it is in the manual. I finally found where to put the micro SD card. So basically you have to roll it out, and then it's right here with the reset button. I think it's kind of nice the way they've hidden it, and I kind of like it because it took me a while to figure out. This camera is quite easy to install. All you have to do is go into your camera on your phone, then use the QR code inside the manual, open in the browser, and it takes you directly to the app. Now you download the app. Once the app is installed, you have to sign up, of course. So use your email address and sign up, create an account, and get ready to set up your camera. Once your account is created, the next step is to plug in the device. So I'm going to do it right now. Once the device is plugged, I'm also going to start the adding process. So add a new device, battery device, plug-in device. I select plug-in device. So once you hear that noise, that means you can start the adding process. Next, confirm. Now it gave me a QR code that I have to make the camera scan for them to pair. So
Wi-Fi connected.
So it's basically the same process as with a real link camera, which is very easy and very simple, and I love that. Oh my god, why are they doing this? It's updating. This is very annoying. Okay, but the update was kind of short. Now I have live access to my camera. Yeah, you can see. Hello. So it's working, the quality is kind of good, but is this 1080p? I'm not sure. Let me see in the settings if I have to do something. Alright, that's it. I guess that's the maximum quality we will get. Alright, this is HD. Yeah, this is HD. So this is what it looks like. Not bad, but the feel is bad. The feel is good, right? What do you think, guys? Put that in the comment section. So that's it. We are done with installing the camera. This took me like 2 minutes and I loved it. The only problem is they wanted me to update, but that's fine. They still allowed me to skip it. This is how I'm going to use my camera. I'm just going to put it on my TV stand in the living room. However, if you want to fix yours on the wall or on the ceiling, you have to use this little mount that is provided with it, and of course the screws that are provided with it. It's 2 screws, but they gave us 1 spare. Once you are done installing your camera, I invite you to start a live stream and see all the functionalities that are available. You can see sound, you can see audible alarm, motion tracking, position, and press to speak. Press to speak is what's used to activate the talkie-walkie feature that I was talking to you about. So basically, once you press it, you can talk to the other side and the other side can speak back. So if somebody is in the living room doing something they are not supposed to do, you can directly say, hey, I'm watching you. There are lots of functionalities, but I believe what I prefer is the fact that I can move the camera around. So basically, let me show you what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these directional keys to move the camera to look at what I want to look at. So yeah, it's kind of slow, but I think it's fine. If you activate motion tracking, you must be able to follow people directly without you having to move it around, and you have a much wider look in your living room or in your room. And since you can differentiate from pets, you will not get false alarms every once in a while like with a lot of cameras. The downside of this camera, I must say, is the quality of the image and the frames. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's like 24 frames per second, and if this is 1080p, then what I'm recording, what is it? So I mean, it's not like image processed 1080p, it's kind of raw and it's very, very slow. But I think it's a security camera, so I think that's just fine. Unless you want like a real better one, then I think you're ready to invest in. But for the price range, I think this camera is just fine. Of course, this camera can be used as a security camera for home, but there are many uses that you can use it for. You can use it to keep an eye on your kids. You can use it to make sure your help or your maid is doing what she's supposed to do and not touching what she's not supposed to touch. You can also use it to talk to your guests when you are not home or when you have to go to do a quick errand. You can use it for a lot of stuff, so it's up to your imagination. Well, that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give your comments about this little beast in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!